the method of drawing the current circle according to the given coordinates and radius. Let's use the Part2D interface to declare a path. The Path2D constructor returns a newly created Path2D object. The circle will be drawn using the arc method. Specify the coordinates of the center, radius, start and end angle. We are not interested in the direction, we do not specify it, but let me remind you that the default value will be used clockwise. Specify the field style and fill it with yellow. The object is ready. As usual, when the page is finished loading, let's initialize our object. Well, the most interesting thing is the interactive connection with the position of the mouse cursor. Let's clean up first. Then go through each node of our surface. To do this, we use two loops. We will go through all the lines, and in each line we will go through all the columns. It's like iterating through all the elements of the mathematical matrix. Calculate the initial coordinates of the center for each of the circles. In this form, our surface will be flat. Each node is equidistant from the next. In this form, there will be no reaction to the mouse cursor. The next line of code requires a graphic explanation. Look at the explanatory picture. I depicted the node in red for clarity. The color can be specified by any. But in our code, the fill color is yellow. Initial coordinates and radius. The current position of the cursor. The distance to the cursor is indicated by the letter L. This value is calculated using the Pythagorean theorem. The square root of the sum of the squares of the legs. The new position of the circle is determined by the offset along the axis by the distance dx and dy. The formula for calculating these quantities was chosen experimentally. The formula uses two coefficients, density and type fig. Changing these coefficients leads to a change in the appearance of the surface. The radius is also subject to change, which provides the effect of volume. In this formula, unit is indicated as the power. You can change this value and see the difference. It remains to use the radius limit, given by the radius limit value. I would also suggest playing around with different values here to get more and less depth effects. And the last, draw the current circle with the calculated values. There is already a result. See for yourself what happened. In the final part of the Canvas vs SVG topic, we will add a small configurator, as well as draw conclusions.